Scientists are growing skin, real skin, at a lab up in Flagstaff. That could one day help people who've been severely burned. Every day, the Maricopa Burn Center says it fills 28 beds with burn injuries. And each year, the Burn Center gets 2,200 emergency visits and 6,300 clinic visits. The center is the largest and only nationally verified burn center in our state. And while growing the new skin is still in its early stages, within 5 years, what they're doing up there could be changing lives. Crystal Henderson takes us inside the lab.
All these little purple dots are the nuclei of cells.
Crystal Birchinall's job is to get under your skin, literally.
We're essentially trying to create artificial skin.
But her work, along with a group of scientists, is more than skin deep.
We're focused on skin, but this same concept really could be applied to a lot of other tissues and organs in the body.
Years of looking under a microscope, testing and understanding how the skin works and grows. With their findings, these scientists have been able to build cells from scratch. It starts with a blueprint, and then this machine spins the proteins like a web.
We're trying to build a protocol so that we can decellularize any tissue needed and then kind of have a plug and chug way that we can put that into our electrospinner and say, oh, well, you need muscle tissue. These are the parameters that we need to spin to.
This is kind of what it looks like when it's done, and that was 45 minutes. And so there's no real limit to what we can do, actually.
Just to give you an idea of how fast this stuff grows, with just one measuring cup of cells in solution in just a couple days, you can get 75 square feet of stem cells, which is equal to this entire roll of Reynolds Wrap.
So we can quickly use a human protein, electrospin a scaffold, and use their own cells, which they will not reject, and we can create a customized replacement skin graft for them.
Manufactured cells that can heal wounds and burns, and maybe even one day turn back the clock.
So this is liquid nitrogen, which is at about 139 degrees below zero. So it keeps cells from aging. There are different chemicals that you can apply that cause the cells to go back to revert to their stem nature. And who knows, wrinkles, whatever. There's a lot of potential for this.
In Flagstaff, Crystal Henderson, 12 News.